Now we're continuing our series on how to narrow down our backlink research with link intersect tools. Today we're going to take a look at Majestic.com's Click Hunter tool. Hi, I'm Josh Blanchard, Product Manager and SEO Specialist at PureLink. Let's go ahead and dive right down into my computer and get right into it. So here we are on Majestic.com. Now we want to go to the Site Explorer first. And you just go up to Tools and click on Site Explorer. Usually, well, this is where it should start in the first place. Let's just put in our domain, sure.com. Now you have the option here to choose the root domain, the subdomain, the URL path, or the full URL. We're going to stick to root domain for this example. And then we're going to also use the fresh index, which is updated daily and contains the most recent data, as you can see here. Then the historic index it contains all the data that they have. So we're going to use the fresh index because it's more up to date and relevant. And we're just going to hit the red or the orange button here. And let that load. Okay, and so here we are. We've got all of our data, our trust flow 55 and 52 for citation flow. Now, you're going to want to try to keep these within close range of one another. If the citation flow was, say, 2 or 3 times higher than the trust flow, that's a bad sign. You're going to want to check out a site for their spam analysis if you notice something like that going on. So right here, you can look at all these individual sections of this data one at a time, or if you're on summary, then you can just go through here and see it yourself. Now, Majestic, they have a lot of different data here now. Link context says here are the top rated backlinks with the link context from other websites. So we have this, and then we have the different languages, the topical trust flow, the link density of inbound links, the backlink history, the backlink breakdown, the referring domains breakdown, the referring domains, and then the anchor text breakdown. Okay, so once you have this data, you can just go ahead and export this right here. And I'm going to stick to the fresh index, and I already did this. That's why it says this before, but I'm just gonna hit build download. Let this build, and then once it opens up, we're going to clean it up a bit. So while this is building, let's just go right over to the link intersect tool. So you go up to Tools, go down to Compare Domains, and Majestic actually calls it the Click Hunter tool. So we're going to go there. Now let's put in our domains. So we want to compare sure.com to Sennheiser.com, Audio Technica, and then Rode. Now what this tool is going to do is it's going to allow us to see all the different links that are linking to these competitors, but not to your target website, in this case, sure.com. So then we have this data right here. Now, if you want to see the details in these, you can click on each individual number here. So if we want to see the links that are going to Sennheiser, let me just click on this one here, and it expands the drop down so that we can see more data. And we can export that. If you want to look at all these links individually, you can export that there. And we're just going to export this entire thing. So we're going to click on Download Data, Excel, or CSV or TSV, whichever you want. Okay, so there's a lot of information in this document. So what we want to do is we want to clean it up a bit. So we're just going to make the title stand out. We're going to wrap the text here. We're going to add some filters right here. And then you can space this stuff out accordingly to have it make sense for you. Okay, we're not going to do all that in this video. That's pretty self-explanatory, but you get the idea. And then you can filter this for the amount of referring domains. You can filter it for the Alexa rank, the match links. Where's the trust flow and citation flow on here? You can filter it for that. Topical trust flow. No, that's not it. Here it is. Citation flow and trust flow. So they're already filtered for trust flow right now, but you could filter it through citation flow. All you would do is you just click on this right here and you would choose ascending or descending. All these are already checked, and that's how you would filter that. Or you would sort it, actually, I'm sorry. Okay, so once we've got our spreadsheet downloaded, we can just open it here out of our downloads file. Keep in mind that Majestic will give you both the spreadsheet and a zip file, so make sure you're opening up the spreadsheet. Okay, once this is open, we can go ahead and just clean it up a little bit and do what I like to do. I just like to make it look a little more presentable. wrap the text and then add the filters. And then you can space this stuff out as you like. Keep in mind, this sheet is going to have a lot of links on it. It's going to have a lot of links per domain. Sometimes you just got to filter through them. So if you don't want to see all of the links, then you can just come back, all the backlinks, you can just come back here and go to referring domains, and then you can just download that, and that'll show you all the referring domains. So that's it for that video. That was Majestic.com. In the next video, we're going to be going over how to do a very similar process with Moz.com. And then after that, we're going to be going over how to compile all the data from both or all three of these tools, Majestic, Moz, and Ahrefs. And then we are going to compile that and sort it out and apply it to get all of the contact information. And then we're going to do our outreach process. So stay tuned. Looking forward to seeing you there. If you got value out of this video, please like and subscribe and hit the notification bell below. And thank you very much. And we'll see you next time.